Plywood starts here, in the heart of dense forests. Logs are stored, then soaked in water to soften the wood.
This section here shows signs of early decay.
Agreed. Let's downgrade the quality rating for this batch.
First step, bark is removed from the log.
The log spins at high speed, peeling into thin veneer sheets.
Now the sheets enter dryers. All moisture is removed. Dried sheets are sorted, by quality and grade. Glue is applied evenly on each veneer sheet. The stack enters a cold press to bond the layers together. Then comes the hot press. Heat and pressure create a strong bond. Hot panels are set aside to cool before trimming. Edges are trimmed to achieve perfect dimensions. Panels go through sanding machines for a smooth finish.
There's a slight variation in the grain here. Let me measure that. Okay, noted.
Panels are graded and stamped based on quality standards. A protective coating is applied to increase durability. Finished sheets are stacked, ready for packaging. Packaged plywood is moved to the storage warehouse. Now the plywood is loaded for delivery worldwide.
All right, push it up. Watch your fingers on the top plate. Got it. Looks flush on this end.
Carpenters shape it into furniture and fixtures.
From raw log to your living room table.
A massive industrial process running 24 hours a day.
Plywood shapes our homes, our spaces, our lives.
From architect's table to the final structure. Even on the ocean, plywood holds it all together.
Every corner you sit in, plywood was part of it.
One tree, one log, endless creation.